Boom! Ghana's got oil and it's a big one. Wow, incredible news coming out of West Africa. Ghana has struck oil, folks. And not just a little bit. We are talking about a massive discovery. It's valued at around $20 billion. Yes, you heard that right. Billion. With a B. This is truly game-changing stuff. The whole country is buzzing with excitement. This isn't like finding a forgotten tenner in your jeans. This is like finding a giant golden treasure chest. A chest buried right under Ghana's feet, or rather, its waters. The discovery is offshore, deep beneath the ocean. Engineers and geologists have confirmed it. It's a significant find. A really big pool of black gold. This could reshape Ghana's future. Ghana has a fascinating history, you know. It was the first country in sub-Saharan Africa to gain independence from colonial rule. That was way back in 1957, a proud moment, led by the great Kwame Nkrumah, a beacon of hope for the continent. Since then, its journey has had ups and downs. Like any good story, really, economically Ghana has always had rich resources. Think gold, they used to call it the Gold Coast. And cocoa, lots and lots of cocoa. These commodities have been the backbone for much of Ghana's economic life, but relying on commodities can be tricky. Prices go up, prices go down. It makes long-term planning a real challenge. Right, let's talk about this number $20 billion. It's a staggering amount, isn't it? But what does it really mean in practical terms? It sounds like a lot of money because it is. Imagine the possibilities and the impact such a sum could have. It's a figure with 9 zeros after the 20. That's $20,000 million. Just think about that for a moment. That's enough to make your head spin a bit. It's almost unfathomable, isn't it? But let's break it down further. To put it in perspective for you, it's more than the entire annual budget of many countries. Imagine the entire financial operations of a nation, and then some. This isn't just pocket change we're discussing here. It's a sum that can change the fate of a nation. It's a serious amount of potential wealth. Wealth that can be harnessed for development, growth, and prosperity. What could $20 billion do for a nation like Ghana? The possibilities are endless. Think about new schools for the children. Education is the foundation of a prosperous future. Better hospitals with modern equipment, healthcare that can save lives and improve the quality of life for countless people. Improved roads to connect towns and villages, infrastructure that can boost trade, travel, and communication, clean water and reliable electricity for more communities, basic necessities that can transform daily life. These are the kinds of transformative projects that this sort of money can help fund, projects that can uplift entire communities. It's about investing in the people and the future, ensuring that the benefits of this wealth are felt by everyone. This discovery isn't just a one-off payment either, it's a continuous stream of revenue. It's a reserve of oil that will be extracted over time, a long-term asset that can provide sustained economic growth. With careful planning and management, this wealth can be used to build a brighter future for generations to come. It's about creating a legacy of prosperity and opportunity, a future where everyone has the chance to thrive. $20 billion is more than just a number, it's a promise of what could be achieved with vision and dedication. So when we talk about $20 billion, we're talking about the potential to change lives, to build a better future, and to create lasting impact. So, the oil starts flowing and the money starts coming in. What happens next? How does Ghana actually benefit? Well, first, the government gets a big chunk of this revenue through taxes and royalties from the oil companies. This is direct income for the national treasury. More money in the government's coffers is a good start. It gives them more firepower to tackle national priorities. This is the most immediate impact we'll see. This increased revenue can be used in many ways. One important use is to pay down national debt. Like many countries, Ghana has loans it needs to service. Reducing this debt burden is a smart move. It frees up money that would have gone to interest payments. That money can then be redirected to other vital areas like education, healthcare, or infrastructure projects. It's about creating more financial breathing room. Section 5. The Cedi's new best friend: how oil can make it stronger. Now let's talk about the Cedi, Ghana's currency. It's had a bit of a tough time recently, let's be honest. Its value has sometimes fallen against major currencies like the US dollar or the British pound. This makes imported goods more expensive and can lead to inflation, which nobody likes. So can this oil discovery help the Cedi? Many people are hoping it will be a big help. Here's how it could work, in simple terms. When Ghana sells its oil on the international market, it will be paid in foreign currencies, mostly US dollars. This means more dollars will be flowing into Ghana. The Bank of Ghana will see its foreign reserves increase. This is a very good thing for currency stability. It's like having more savings in your bank account. Okay, finding $20 billion worth of oil is fantastic news. This discovery has the potential to transform Ghana's economy and elevate the standard of living for millions of its citizens. The excitement is palpable, and the possibilities seem endless. However, as with any significant discovery, there are complexities and hurdles that must be navigated carefully. But, and there's always a but, isn't there? The road ahead is not without its challenges. The discovery of oil is just the beginning of a long and arduous journey. The real test lies in how this newfound wealth is managed and utilized. It's not a magic wand that solves everything instantly. The oil itself won't automatically translate into prosperity for everyone. It requires strategic planning, sound policies, and effective implementation to ensure that the benefits are widespread and sustainable. Managing this newfound wealth comes with big challenges. There are economic, social, and environmental factors to consider. The government and stakeholders must work together to create a framework that promotes growth while safeguarding the interests of future generations. Ghana needs to be smart and careful to make sure this blessing doesn't become a burden. This means investing in infrastructure, education, and healthcare to build a resilient economy that can withstand global market fluctuations. It's a massive opportunity, but also a massive responsibility. The decisions made today will shape the country's future for decades to come. It's crucial to strike a balance between immediate gains and long-term sustainability. Many eyes will be watching how Ghana handles this. International investors, local communities, and environmental groups all have a stake in the outcome. Transparency and accountability will be key in maintaining trust and ensuring that the oil wealth benefits all Ghanaians. One major challenge is avoiding the oil curse. This phenomenon has plagued many oil-rich countries, leading to economic instability and social unrest. It's a cautionary tale that Ghana must heed. You might have heard of this, or Dutch disease. This occurs when a country's focus on oil leads to the neglect of other vital sectors of the economy. It's a pitfall that can have devastating consequences if not addressed. It's what happens when a country focuses too much on oil and other important sectors of the economy get neglected. Like agriculture, which is the backbone of Ghana's economy, providing livelihoods for a significant portion of the population. Manufacturing, which is essential for industrial growth and job creation, or tourism, which has the potential to bring in substantial revenue and promote cultural exchange. If these sectors shrink, it can lead to job losses and make the country too dependent on oil prices. This dependency can be risky, as oil prices are notoriously volatile and can lead to economic instability. Diversification is key to avoiding this trap. By investing in various sectors, Ghana can create a more balanced and resilient economy. This approach will help mitigate the risks associated with oil dependency and promote sustainable development. Another huge hurdle is ensuring transparency and good governance. Corruption and mismanagement can derail even the best-laid plans. It's essential to establish robust institutions and legal frameworks to oversee the oil sector and ensure that revenues are used for the public good. Engaging local communities and stakeholders in the decision-making process is also crucial. Their input and participation can help create policies that are inclusive and equitable, ensuring that the benefits of oil wealth are shared by all. Investing in education and healthcare is another vital aspect. By building a well-educated and healthy workforce, Ghana can ensure long-term economic growth and social development. These investments will pay dividends for generations to come. Additionally, exploring renewable energy sources and sustainable practices can help diversify the energy sector and reduce environmental impact. This forward-thinking approach will position Ghana as a leader in sustainable development. Ultimately, the goal is to create a prosperous and inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. By addressing these challenges head-on and making strategic investments, Ghana can turn its oil discovery into a true blessing for all its citizens. While we talk about challenges, let's not forget the opportunities. This oil discovery opens up so many exciting doors for Ghana. It's about much more than just the dollar value of the oil. It's about what that wealth can help Ghana build. Think about job creation for starters. The oil and gas industry itself will need skilled workers, engineers, technicians, managers, support staff. This means new career paths for many Ghanaians. But the opportunities go far beyond direct oil jobs. This is a chance for massive investment in human capital. That means investing in people, in their education and skills. Ghana can use the oil revenue to build more schools, to improve the quality of teaching and learning, to set up vocational training centers, equipping young Ghanaians with the skills needed for the jobs of today and tomorrow in all sectors. This oil revenue isn't just for today's needs, it's a golden opportunity to lay the foundation for a prosperous future. The wealth generated from oil can be a catalyst for transformative change, ensuring that the benefits are felt across generations. It's a golden ticket to invest in Ghana's tomorrow. Imagine a future where every child has access to quality education, where healthcare is robust and accessible, and where the economy thrives on innovation and skilled labor. A huge part of that is focusing on human capital. By investing in people, we ensure that the nation can sustain its growth and development. This means prioritizing education, training, and health to build a resilient and capable workforce. That means making sure Ghanaians have the skills to participate fully in this new economic era. It's about equipping them with the knowledge and abilities to take on new challenges and seize emerging opportunities. This involves significant investment in education at all levels, from primary schools to universities and technical colleges. Modern facilities, updated curricula, and trained educators are essential to this vision. A well-educated population is a country's greatest asset. It drives innovation, boosts productivity, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Education is the bedrock upon which a thriving society is built. Imagine new state-of-the-art vocational training centers equipped with the latest technology and resources. These centers will be hubs of learning and skill development, preparing individuals for the demands of the modern workforce. Young men and women learning practical skills, gaining hands-on experience in fields like welding, electrical work, and information technology. These skills are not just for personal advancement, but are crucial for national development. Becoming welders, electricians, IT specialists, and entrepreneurs. These professions are the backbone of a diversified economy, providing the expertise needed to support various industries. These skills are vital not just for the oil industry, but for all the supporting industries that will grow around it. From manufacturing to services, a skilled workforce is essential for sustainable growth. But for all the supporting industries that will grow around it. Infrastructure development, logistics, and supply chain management are just a few areas that will benefit from a well-trained workforce. This creates a ripple effect of employment, generating jobs and opportunities across various sectors. It empowers individuals to pursue their passions and contribute meaningfully to society, and empowers a new generation to build their own futures. Entrepreneurship and innovation will flourish, driving economic growth and creating a vibrant, dynamic economy. It's about creating a skilled workforce for a modern Ghana, one that is adaptable, forward-thinking, and ready to tackle the challenges of the future. Beyond schools and skills, there's healthcare. A robust healthcare system ensures that the population remains healthy and productive, reducing absenteeism and increasing overall well-being. A healthy nation is a productive nation, as they say. Investing in healthcare infrastructure, training medical professionals, and ensuring access to quality care are all critical components of this vision for a better Ghana. So, what's the bottom line here? This $20 billion oil discovery is massive news for Ghana. It's like the country has been given a powerful new engine, an engine that can drive growth and development for years. The atmosphere is electric, full of hope and anticipation. People are dreaming of a brighter future. And with careful planning, that dream can become a reality. It's a genuinely exciting time for the nation. Of course, the journey ahead won't be without its bumps. We've talked about the challenges, the oil curse, governance, but Ghana has a history of resilience and ingenuity. The country has faced challenges before and overcome them. There's a strong desire among Ghanaians to see this opportunity used wisely and for the good of all. Learning from the experiences of other oil-producing nations, both their successes and their mistakes, will be vital.